for printing. A small object with low quality settings can already be printing in less than 5 to 10 minutes. But when you want to print a print object in high quality, it could take also several hours. Yes.
Okay, sir. How can we buy these 3D printers?
Yes, you ask such a good question. If you are planning to buy 3D printer for yourself, just attend the seminar. If you are planning to buy, the 3D printer yourself, attend the seminar. If you want to make money every week, attend the seminar. If you want to be set free from poverty, attend the seminar. All based on the GCC cryptocurrency and 3D printing technology. On the day, you will meet the CEO, Pasboel, as he is demonstrating live on how the 3D printer prints anything you can imagine.
Sir,
on the day.
Sir, sorry,
okay,
sir.
Okay.
Come again, sir.
Okay.
Come again, sir.
What I'm saying is that the CEO of the company is visiting Nigeria for the first time for the official launching of the company, in which on the day we will do live 3D printing demonstration on how the machine prints what you can imagine in a wide range of materials available on market. The printer will print house for you on the day. It will print food for you on the day. It will print cases for you on the day. The printer will print just imagine anything. The printer will print it for you on the day of the seminar. Attend the seminar. The seminar will held at Adolak Hotel, Osogbo, Osun State, Nigeria. See you on the day. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.